Hey y'all, thanks for joining me today. Today I had a call from a gal named Susan. She lost her wedding ring and an earring. She doesn't know if it's in the same spot or not. And so her and her husband found me on the internet. And what's strange is she only lives about 5 minutes from my house. So normally I spend 1 to 2 hours driving to someone's house. So this will be hopefully a pretty quick search. So I'll turn the camera on when I get there. Hi, are you Susan?
Yes.
I'm Kenny.
And let me show you where he is. You'll see why we haven't just got down on our hands and knees
Oh, okay.
and dug for it.
So how long's it been gone?
I believe I lost it, I'm pretty sure, last spring.
Oh,
This
okay.
year, last spring, around March or April.
Okay.
With the grass and plants, we're just starting to come up, and I was trying to get out here and neaten things up. I think, and I could be wrong, that it's lost somewhere in all this ground cover.
Okay.
And I was grabbing weeds and throwing things out, so it could also be out in here.
Okay. Let's hope it's out here. It'll be a little easier to find.
And of course, during the summer now, we couldn't see it because of the grass, and the main stone is green. My birthday's coming up, so I made that a birthday.
Oh, yeah?
Either find the old one, or I'm going to go get a new one.
Oh, well, let's find the old one.
I really have a strong emotion attached with that old one. In the spring, I get big planting ideas. When I garden, I love getting outside.
Uh-huh.
And this is a mess here, so I was by hand, on my hands and feet, and I don't think I had any gloves on, just yanking things. And I think I might have yanked a ring off.
Uh-huh.
Now, I have strawberry patch on the other side in a big garden.
Okay.
He thinks in messing with that, I may have lost it.
It is about the same time period?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go where you feel it is, which is over here. Let's do this first.
You don't mind if I shadow you, do you?
No, you
While
can
do it?
watch me. Yeah, people
Okay.
watch me all the time. And all
I'm
right.
excited. If the beep that gets the ring, I want to be there.
Okay. For me to find someone's ring, I get that adrenaline rush and I get excited.
Well, this is a really pretty ring too.
All right, so I got my little coil on here. See if we can get some kind of a squeaky signal out of here. This is going to be hard to swing in here too. Because this crap grows right back. I've got it in my house too. Well, I cleaned out most of the vines around there. Bunches of it. So now I can swing my coil a little better. Well, this is a lot better.
I just told my husband I want him out of the Texas.
Oh yeah?
He's
Oh.
gonna laugh and just humor me.
I think what I'll do is
I just told him about that. We'll take care of
Well, I'm gonna go back over this spot. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a 46 right there. Oh, it's deeper.
It's probably not my ring, right?
It's probably not your ring. More Canslaw.
How old would it be if it's down that deep?
Somewhat solid, but you just never know. So even just last spring, unless it fell in a hole, it should be well within a ½ inch.
We have such thick grass and greenery around here. And it's level, pretty level, can't we?
Another nail here.
Well, let me show you where the first place is. We need that. These strawberry beds are these raised. There's 3 raised beds.
Okay.
There's 4 actually. Covered.
All right.
This one's probably not it, because there's nothing in there except asparagus. It wouldn't hurt to look, but
Okay.
I don't know.
It won't take long to sweep over that. So you think these beds are
Down here
suspect?
is what Mud thinks probably they are, because these are just mine. And I was trying to grow them out here, but this area,
Uh-huh.
this is a new one. They never got going good. The weeds took over. And then there's still some strawberries here.
Okay.
In here and down around on the edges around there,
Uh-huh.
because they were coming out of the box and starting to grow out here. So
Yeah.
there's some even out this far, and I was going to preserve those and just make one long strawberry bed here.
Uh-huh. So, but you weren't working out in that part of the garden?
Every once in a while I did. So if that's an easy place to go over, that would be fantastic. Just
Okay.
a quick over.
Uh-huh.
From what I'm watching you, I'm wondering if that would be a quick thing to do.
So was it tilled afterwards? It's been tilled, looks like pretty recently.
It has.
So could be
That
down
could be it.
deeper. Okay.
That could be down under the top.
Okay.
A few inches.
Alrighty. All right, well, let's do the strawberry beds first, and we'll expand out that way.
Those were not, well, they might be underneath the weeds and grass, but they weren't dug up. Those
Okay.
were dug up.
No. Oh. At my old homestead we did. We had a lot of strawberries.
These are really hardy. I covered them up last year, and it turned out the ones that didn't get covered up, they did so much better.
Huh.
But these are a kind that's just really tiny strawberries. I don't like this kind.
I remember my dad was.
Over on here.
Oh yeah. I remember my dad was always putting the strawberries in our best ground, and they did really bad. And so he put them in our worst ground, which was just old clay.
Great, huh?
And oh my word.
Well, we've never had clay. This ground, that's how I know it has to have been a field.
Yeah.
And we have really good soil everywhere. Never anything even close to clay.
So I'm getting a good hit here. 53, 52. So we'll see what that is. Yeah. Down deeper. So. Hey, what do you think that is?
That has to be. Oh my God! Oh, I can't believe it! Oh my God!
Found it.
That's it! Oh my God! I gotta get a picture of that. Oh my God!
That was it was like 52, 53. That was perfect hit.
She will not believe this. Where is it? Oh.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
See what how we had that specially made.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, you're not kidding. That was fantastic. I gotta set this down.
All it needs is a little cleaning.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add a text. What do you say? I'm gonna say boom. I think luckily we didn't have to go through the whole garden.
I know it.
Oh, it's sending. So it's gorgeous when it's cleaned up.
Oh, it's pretty now.
This is like sterling silver. This is swelled up after my baby. Yeah.
Back home.